Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating your Blogger blog and linking a purchased custom domain so your site looks professional. Once done, update the domain DNS, add the records and the CNAME Blogger provides, then wait for propagation. Make sure to enable HTTPS and set the preferred domain to avoid duplicate content. You should also pick a responsive template now, because it controls layout and load speed. Choose a lightweight theme to reduce page weight and improve mobile playback. You next build the content workflow and site structure so visitors find Move fast. Upload films or trailers to YouTube or use cloud hosting, then embed each video in a dedicated post using the iframe or Blogger's gadget. Once embedded, create labels for genres and a static movie listing page that pulls posts by label. Also optimize each post. Craft keyword-rich titles, write concise meta descriptions, and add schema markup for videos so search engines understand runtime, thumbnail, and upload date. You finish by publishing a launch set of movie posts, then test functionality across devices and common browsers. Pay special attention to 16:9 video sizing and autoplay behavior. Once live, connect Google Analytics and Search Console to track clicks, impressions, and errors. Review video playback issues and slow pages. If something breaks, clear CDN caches, resave the post, and inspect Browser Console for mixed content or blocked embeds. Make sure to keep backups and automate regular content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.